So today's video is going to be a normal vlog, just like a regular vlog kinda. So I woke up quite tired today and I feel little dizzy today because I skipped my dinner last night क्योंकि ना मैं थोड़ा tired था and I didn't want to cook anything. So and I was not hungry also, तो मैंने dinner नहीं खाया था. That's why I feel very tired now. तो अभी मैंने अंडा boil किया है क्योंकि I don't want to have anything cooked. I hope you guys are getting it. सुबह सुबह ऐसा cooked खाने में मज़ा नहीं आता है. So yeah. So I have some bread, so I'll have one slice of bread and then I'll have 2 अंडास with some carrots and cucumbers and stuff. So let's see कि मैं क्या खाऊंगी. मैं खुद भी sure नहीं हूँ. अभी मैंने सिर्फ अंडा boil करके रखा है. And today it's really hot, guys. It's 8th of June and it's like 38 degree अभी से ही, like सुबह से ही. And that's making me so angry क्योंकि आज मेरे को बाहर भी जाना है. I'll update you all more later, but now let's go and make a cup of coffee. So this is what I usually have during my snack time, and I've been eating carrots and cucumbers and boiled eggs since past 3 days now, and I have been obsessed. Actually past 4 days, and I have been obsessed. Like seriously, मेरे को ना carrots इतना ज़्यादा tasty लगने लगा है, and अंडा also not that bad, but I can't eat the yolk, but it's fine. मतलब पहले से बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है अंडा. If you guys know me, you guys know that I don't like अंडा at all, but आजकल थोड़ा पसंद आ रहा है. And the surprising thing is that जब मैं नहीं खाती हूँ, at that time I crave for this plate, guys. Like it looks so colorful. Also because of the color, I think कि I love eating it. I don't know why. And I also have peach, guys, and I've been eating this क्योंकि I have a lot in my fridge. Usually I have only this for brunch or breakfast, but today I'm going out, so I need some more energy, so I'm having the entire salad thingy. Guys, today feels like one of the worst day to step out, but can't help क्योंकि we are meeting after a really long time, and I forgot मैंने आप लोगों को mention किया या नहीं, like whom am I meeting. So let me tell you all again. Okay, so I am meeting one of my brother after a really long time. More than 1 साल हो गया है हम मिले नहीं. So yeah, we decided to meet क्योंकि today is Sunday and he has a holiday. Really excited क्योंकि बहुत टाइम बाद मिल रहे हैं. So the plan for today is, wait, let me just add this पहले. Okay, so the plan for today is just good food and just talk, मतलब ऐसे ही catch up type का. और वही है. So I am going to take him to one of my favorite restaurant, that is Kofuku. It's a Japanese restaurant and I really love वहाँ का ramen and tempura ऐसा. So I'm planning कि we'll go there, we'll have food there, उसके बाद we'll go to mall so that we can walk there and we can just explore and go for dessert maybe. So yeah, let's see कि कैसा plan जाता है. तो यही था अपडेट गाइस. नाउ आई विल मेक अ गेट रेडी विथ मी रील एंड देन आई विल सी यू ऑल. रील या शॉर्ट्स आई डोंट नो बट इट विल गो समवेयर अगर मैं फिल्म करूँगी तो, क्योंकि आई डोंट लाइक टू वेस्ट माई वीडियोज़. सो या आई विल सी यू ऑल लेटर. Okay, so let me show you all what I'm planning to wear. ऊपर construction हो रहा है, so if you can hear the noises, please ignore guys. So here I have my jeans which I've been wearing a lot. So okay, so this is the jeans. I want to wear this because the color is so pretty and it's very easy to wear. I mean, it is little loose on me, so I like the feeling of that, and I like to wear थोड़ा loose कपड़े ही वैसे भी in general. And अभी तो summer है तो और भी loose पहनने में मज़ा ही कुछ और है. And here I have my top which everyone has it. मेरे पास ना ये टॉप ऐसा कुछ महीने से ही था, 3 मंथ से मेरे पास ही था. बट मेरा आदत है कि ना मैं कपड़ा ऐसा फटाफट पहनती नहीं हूँ. सो इट्स बिन अ वाइल, तो मैं ये पहनूंगी. नाउ एवरीवन हैज़ दिस बट ऑल्सो आई एम गोइंग टू वेयर इट. So this is the top and this is the jeans, and for footwear I may wear this one, but another option is this one which I think will look better. So let's see. And इसका quality क्या सही है ना. मैंने ये लिया था Amazon से. I'll link this for you all. अगर अभी ये stock में है then just go and grab it क्योंकि you are going to love it. But you can go and get this color also if you want, but I would recommend you all to go and get the black one क्योंकि that will be more versatile and you can wear it like with your every outfit. मेरा टॉप का कलर इससे मैच हो रहा है, so I may wear this but I may also wear this. So let's see कि कौन सा पहनेगा, but ये दोनों में से एक पहनेगा. And for back I'm not sure, so we'll see that. And now I will get ready and see you all in a bit. Okay guys, I got ready and this is how I look. Here's my bag for the day. It's from Savannah. It's really good. I love the size, love the color, everything is perfect. And here is my sunglass for the day, and yeah, this is also from Savannah. And I look like this guys. I have applied some blush and I feel like a clown now, but I don't want to rub it. I don't want to remove it, so I'll just keep it like this for a while. Let's see, जाने से पहले अगर थोड़ा बहुत ऐसा कैसे कैसा अनकम्फर्टेबल सा फील होता है then I'll just remove it. And this is my bracelet for today. This one I got from Sarojini and this one is from Amazon. Actually इसका ना set भी है and it looks like this, which is very pretty, but not gonna wear it today because I feel like this one looks better with my outfit. Footwear, I'm gonna be carrying this. This is amazing, love the color, and this is my final look. Hi guys, it's a new day, so let's just say that it's a beautiful day. So I'm vlogging after 3 days because I wasn't that well, let's say, क्योंकि मेरा थ्रोट ना बहुत ज़्यादा itching हो रहा था and my ears were also itching. तो I thought कि अभी viral fever का time हो रहा है, but I have taken care of myself and I'm quite good today. Like I'm feeling good today. तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं कुछ groceries order कर लेती हूँ because I've not been eating well also for like past 2 days. तो मैंने सोचा कि grocery order करते हैं, कुछ अच्छे से खाते हैं. I wanted to eat cornflakes so much that I ordered इतना बड़ा cornflakes का packet. Also I was waiting for blueberries to get back in stock. I wanted to get the frozen one क्योंकि I feel like frozen blueberries last longer. Now let me do a quick grocery haul for you guys. Okay, सबसे पहले I ordered इतना बड़ा cornflakes का packet. मैंने नहीं सोचा था इतना बड़ा आएगा, but yeah, this was for good price. Okay, oh यहाँ लिखा है 442. I think I got it for 300 something, and it's nice. Oh my god, nice. मैंने ये भी रियलाइज़ किया है कि ब्रेड ना टाइम से ख़राब हो जाता है, बट दिस ख़राब नहीं होगा. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ गुड वन, यू नो, बिकॉज आई लव ब्रंच एंड आई लव टू ईट ब्रंच. मेरा लंच में भी डिनर में भी. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट आई गॉट दिस. आई हैव सम मोर स्टफ, तो लेट मी शो यू ऑल फटाफट से. आई हैव टू ग्रीक योगर्ट हियर बिकॉज आई एम प्लानिंग टू मेक chia seeds pudding. Yeah, let's say overnight oats because I feel like they are healthier and also इतना गर्मी में ठंडा ठंडा खाने में कुछ मतलब अलग ही मज़ा है. So I wanted to make that. So of course I also got chia seeds क्योंकि मेरा chia seeds ख़त्म होने वाला है. And here I have granola. I don't know why, but I always order something for brunch only. क्योंकि I love brunch. Yeah, I can eat brunch for lunch, dinner, snacks, anything. Like I love brunch, breakfast in general. Here I have a paneer just because I like it. And here I have beans. Here I have dhania because I want to make chana, so I feel like chana is incomplete without dhania. And here I have bread. Last time when I got this bread, I went to my sister's place for a stay over और मैंने ये bread का सिर्फ एक पीस खाया था and it got bad guys. So I want to have this bread अच्छे से because this was little expensive. And this is sourdough plus multigrain, so that's a good thing. And here I have carrots. I am obsessed with carrots guys these days. I love to eat carrots. It's amazing. And here I have 3 bara bananas. I will be having one right now with cornflakes क्योंकि I'm really craving for it. And here I have Vicks क्योंकि मेरा आवाज़ थोड़ा सही नहीं है, मेरा गला पूरा itching हो रहा है. And here is something which I love so much. Like I can eat this every day. It's a light snacks chips. Of course I think this is deep fried only, but it's really yum guys. I like ऐसा ना जो खाते हो ऐसा हवा खा रहे जैसा लगता है ना. It's like so good. And the last thing, I have chana here guys. Oh sorry, chickpea, white chana. Okay, this is chickpea guys. I want to try making salad, so yeah, I ordered this. And that is it guys. Now let's go and make brunch क्योंकि I am very hungry and I'm craving for good cornflakes. So let's go and make it. Hi guys, so it is 4:24 p.m. now and I was just doing some workout. I mean I was walking on treadmill क्योंकि it is really hot guys. It's so hot that I can't go out and I don't want you guys also to go out. इतना गर्मी है guys, please take care of yourself and stay hydrated. And yeah, so I was just like trying to complete some steps. तो 7000 जैसा स्टेप्स तो हो गया है. एंड आई रियलाइज दिस कि ट्रेडमिल में जब दौड़ते एंड व्हेन आई कीप फ़ोन मेरे हाथ में ही तब इतना ज़्यादा स्टेप्स काउंट नहीं होते, बट व्हेन आई वर्क जस्ट लाइक दैट ना तब ज़्यादा काउंट होते हैं और दैट फील्स बेटर ऑल्सो. एंड ऑल्सो लाइक इट हैज़ बीन more than 2 weeks since I started 10k steps, so I'm very happy with my consistency. और बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है guys, क्या ही बोलूँ, इतना गर्मी है कि I feel really demotivated. I don't like summer. Demotivated इसलिए क्योंकि I feel so much heavier. I don't know, मतलब इतना ऐसा I don't like यार. बहुत लोगों को gloomy weather पसंद नहीं है, but I do not like summers guys. I hate summers so much. But yeah, now let's go and have some snacks. I am gonna have anda with some peaches and carrots. So yeah, let's go and make that. I mean, let's just go and chop that and eat it. ये बहुत खट्टा है. Okay, so I have no problem eating the egg white, but I don't like eating the yolk. So I am planning to eat it with buldak sauce because I really love buldak sauce. I'm craving for spicy ramen, but I'm not gonna eat ramen. So let's try this with anda. Oh. Hi guys, so it is really hot and it is 5:44 p.m. now. मैंने पूरा fan बंद कर रखा है because I wanted to film this audio. Okay, so the thing is I want to make chia seeds pudding and overnight oats. So I'm going to meal prep kinda. I'm just going to make it and keep it in my fridge, and I'm going to make it in bunch. Like I'm gonna make quite a lot, like not that much, but दो दिन ऐसा type का. That's why I'm using this, because I do not have as a airtight container and that glass jar and all, and I don't want to purchase also for now. So let's see कि इसके साथ कैसा होता है. अगर फ्यूचर में मैं बहुत कंसिस्टेंटली खाती हूँ देन ओनली आई वांट टू गेट अ जार, नहीं तो मैं नहीं लूँगी. सो लेट्स प्रेप इट गाइस. सो आई एम गोइंग टू प्रेप इट फॉर लाइक 2 days. सो या लेट्स सी कि कैसा होता है. ऑल्सो आई एम मेकिंग दिस क्योंकि आई रियलाइज दैट आई रियली क्रेव फॉर समथिंग कोल्ड, लाइक कोल्ड ब्रेकफास्ट हो गया, जैसे कि समथिंग दैट इज़ नॉट कुकड इन द मॉर्निंग, ऐसा नॉट कुकड वाला. आई मीन आई होप यू गाइस आर गेटिंग इट. सो या आई थॉट कि इट विल बी अ गुड आइडिया टू मेक दिस. So let's make it now. It's really hot, so I'm gonna turn on the fan, and yeah, you guys will see the recipe. Okay guys, so it is 8:24 p.m. now, and I completed my steps. That is 11,032. I am very grateful for this क्योंकि इतना गर्मी में बाहर नहीं जा पा रहे, but also I completed my steps. Now let me tell you all ऐसा 10k steps करके मेरे को क्या फ़ायदा हुआ, because I feel like I've been talking a lot about 10k steps and about my goals. So yeah, let me tell you all. First of all, I wanted to improve my sleep cycle क्योंकि I was sleeping around 4:30 a.m. 3:30 a.m. ऐसा, तो I wanted to improve my sleep cycle. So yes, I have been sleeping early. I sleep around 10:30, 11 या 12 से मैं पहले ही सो जाती हूँ, and I wake up naturally around 8:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. 8 या 8:30 में मैं उठ जाती हूँ. So that's a very good thing. That's something that I'm very proud of. And what else? I don't know, अभी तो 2 हफ्ता ही हुआ है, so I'm not seeing ऐसा drastic वाला कुछ changes, but I feel like my legs and my arms have become little lighter. I don't know, जब ऐसे पकड़ते ना, ओ मेरा मम्मी ने फ़ोटो भेजा है. Okay, so I was saying that I've been feeling a little lighter around my arms and my legs. और तो ऐसा कुछ भी drastic सा change नहीं है, but I've been feeling good mentally, so that's what matters. And also my sleep schedule has been fixed, so I like that also. और तो ऐसा कुछ भी changes नहीं है guys, but अगर future में होगा then I will update you all, so you guys can stick around. And what else? And yeah, that's it for the update guys. And I've been very consistent with my work, so let's wait for 2 to 3 months and let's see कि मैं कितना consistent होता है. And yeah, that's it for this video guys. If you made it till here, don't forget to comment this emoji ताकि मेरे को पता चले कि you made it till here. And I'll see you all very soon with my next video. Bye, take care. इतना गर्मी है guys, look at my pasina. So bye, good night.